Imagine being in the water and stumbling upon a massive and rare 12-foot sea creature. That's what happened to a group of snorkelers and kayakers at La Jolla Cove. Our planet teems with extraordinary creatures, from the depths of the oceans to the heights of the skies. Yet hidden within this vast tapestry of biodiversity are creatures so rare they've eluded human eyes for generations. I don't think so. Some people do, but to me, the savannah is priceless. Some face extinction due to habitat loss and hunting, while others owe their scarcity to unique genetic quirks. These elusive beings teetering on the edge of existence offer a glimpse into nature's most exclusive wonders. Join us as we uncover the stories of the rarest animals you have never seen before. Number 20, strawberry leopard. The strawberry leopard is an exceptionally rare and striking variation of the African leopard. This unique coloration, known as erythrism, is caused by a genetic mutation that results in an overproduction of red pigments or an underproduction of dark pigments, giving the leopard its distinct strawberry hue. Unlike the usual black spots on a typical leopard, the strawberry leopard's spots are reddish-brown, making it a remarkable sight. First photographed in South Africa's Madikwe Game Reserve in 2012, sightings of these leopards are incredibly rare. Only about a dozen have been documented, primarily in the Northwest, Limpopo, and Mpumalanga provinces of South Africa. More recent sightings have occurred in the Selous Game Reserve in Tanzania, suggesting that this rare color morph might be more widespread than previously thought. Interestingly, the presence of strawberry leopards in certain areas may be influenced by human activities. For example, selective breeding practices on game ranches, combined with habitat loss that forces leopards to interbreed, might contribute to the occurrence of this genetic trait. Number 19, king cheetah. The king cheetah is a rare marvel of the animal kingdom, captivating with its distinct and striking coat pattern. Unlike the usual cheetah spots, the king cheetah sports large, blotchy markings and bold stripes running down its back. This unique appearance is due to a rare genetic mutation in the TACTAP gene, a recessive trait that both parents must carry for it to appear in their offspring. Originally discovered in Zimbabwe in 1926, the king cheetah was first thought to be a separate species, dubbed Asthenonyx rex. However, it was later classified correctly as a rare color morph of the African cheetah, Xenonyx jubatus. Sightings of the wild are exceptionally rare, with only about 10 individuals known to exist in the wild and around 50 in captivity. Conservation centers in South Africa, such as the Hoedspruit Endangered Species Center, are vital in breeding and protecting these majestic creatures. King cheetahs share all the characteristics of their more commonly spotted relatives. They are the fastest land animals, capable of reaching speeds up to 75 miles per hour in short bursts. Their diet consists mainly of antelopes, gazelles, and other small to medium-sized ungulates. The king cheetah's stunning fur pattern makes it a target for poachers, adding to the challenges they face from habitat loss and human-wildlife conflict. Number 18, golden zebra. Golden zebras are a rare sight in the animal kingdom, known for their unique and striking golden-colored stripes. This rare coloration is due to a genetic condition called amelanism, which reduces the pigmentation in their skin and hair, resulting in their distinctive pale tan or golden stripes instead of the usual black and white. One of the most famous golden zebras was Zoe, born on the island of Molokai, Hawaii in 1998. Zoe lived at the Three Ring Ranch Exotic Animal Sanctuary until her death in 2017. Recently, a small group of about 24 golden zebras was discovered in a private reserve in South Africa, marking a significant find in the conservation world. Golden zebras are part of the plain zebra species, which are native to Africa. Despite their unusual appearance, they exhibit the same behaviors as their more common relatives. Number 17, white moose. White moose, often referred to as spirit moose, are incredibly rare and captivating creatures. Unlike albino animals, these moose have a condition called leucism, which causes their fur to be predominantly white while their eyes remain dark. This genetic mutation results in a partial lack of pigment, making them stand out strikingly in their natural habitats. White moose have been spotted in various regions, including Sweden, Canada, and parts of Alaska. In Sweden, for instance, a notable sighting occurred in Värmland County, where a local politician spent 3 years capturing footage of one of these ghostly creatures. It's estimated that there may be around 100 white moose in Sweden out of a population of 400,000. In Canada, white moose are considered sacred by indigenous cultures and are sometimes protected from hunting. Sightings are treasured and often considered a sign of good luck. Number 16, blue lobster. Pulling up a lobster pot and discovering a blue lobster is like finding a gem in the ocean's depths. With their vibrant sapphire blue shells, these crustaceans stand out starkly against the typical dark tones of their kin. This extraordinary coloration results from a rare genetic mutation that causes an overproduction of a protein called crustaceanin, which interacts with astaxanthin, the pigment responsible for the usual red and yellow hues in lobsters. The odds of finding a blue lobster in the wild are about 1 in 2 million. These rare creatures are most commonly found in the Atlantic Ocean, particularly off the coasts of North America and Europe. They also appear in some parts of Australia and even in certain freshwater environments. Interestingly, blue lobsters, despite their unusual appearance, share many characteristics with their more common counterparts. They have the same diet, feeding on mollusks, fish, and various types of algae. Their brilliant blue shells, however, make them more visible to predators, which can impact their survival rates in the wild. As a result, many of these rare lobsters, when caught, are often donated to aquariums for protection and public display. One famous blue lobster, named Claude, was given a new home at the Akron Zoo in Ohio, highlighting the fascination and care these unique animals inspire. Blue lobsters can live up to 50 years and grow to impressive sizes, making them not just rare, but also long-lived marvels of the marine world. Number 15, axanthic ball python. The axanthic ball python is a fascinating and rare morph of the ball python, known for its lack of yellow pigmentation. This genetic mutation, called axanthism, results in a striking grayscale appearance, featuring shades of gray, black, silver, and white. Unlike typical ball pythons, which have vibrant hues, axanthic ball pythons stand out with their monochromatic palette. First bred in 1997 by the Vita Preciosa International, these pythons are incredibly rare in the wild but are popular in the pet trade due to their unique appearance and relatively easy care requirements. The axanthic trait is recessive, meaning both parents must carry the gene for the offspring to display the characteristic coloration. Native to sub-Saharan Africa, axanthic ball pythons thrive in grasslands and savannas, mirroring the habitats of their wild-type relatives. However, they are more commonly found in captivity today, bred by enthusiasts who appreciate their distinct look. These snakes typically grow to about 4 to 6 feet in length and are known for their docile nature, making them popular pets. Their care is straightforward, requiring a warm, humid environment and a diet of small rodents. Number 14, calico lobster. A calico lobster is a remarkable example of nature's genetic marvels. These lobsters are identified by their unique mottled shell pattern, featuring bright yellow and orange spots on a dark background. This rare coloration is due to a genetic mutation that alters the pigment production in the lobster cells, making them a 1 in 30 million find. Calico lobsters face significant survival challenges in the wild. Their bright coloration makes them more visible to predators, which partially explains their rarity. Most of these lobsters are found by fishermen and occasionally end up in seafood markets or restaurants. As was the case with Freckles, a calico lobster saved from a Red Lobster restaurant in Virginia and now residing at the Virginia Living Museum. These rare lobsters, like other unique color morphs, such as blue or yellow lobsters, highlight the genetic diversity within marine life. Number 13, African wild dogs. African wild dogs, also known as painted wolves or Lycaon pictus, are one of Africa's most fascinating and rare predators. They are renowned for their strikingly unique coats, which feature a blend of black, white, and brown patches, each pattern as unique as a human fingerprint. These canines have large, rounded ears and long legs, adaptations that aid in their high-speed pursuits of prey, living in packs that can range from 7 to 20 individuals. African wild dogs are known for their exceptional social structures, and cooperative hunting strategies.